Hey guys, back again for another vlog. Today, I am going to be changing my oil in my car. It has been a month, and I have put 3,000 miles on my car in a month. So, we're gonna change the oil, and I'm gonna go through the process with you guys. I'm sure most of you know how to change oil, but if you don't, be a good learning experience. And so on a car like this, you have to take this plastic right here off to get to the drain plug. So we'll hurry up and get that off. It is a 10 millimeter on my car. Might be different on others. All right, we got the bottom panel off. Look how tiny my oil pan is. It's so tiny. Okay, so now mine is a 13 millimeter. Could be different on yours. One thing I like to do while I'm waiting for the oil to drain is check my tire pressure while it's up in the air. I know some of you don't have a lift. I got lucky, and my dad owns his own shop, so I get to use his special amenities. Okay, now that it's pretty much done dripping, I wipe it off, put the drain plug in. Finger tight. Wipe it off again. Makes it look all pretty. And then you grab your socket and ratchet. And tighten it, but not too tight because they do snap off. And put your plastic back on. Right. Now that you got the plastic back in, you can finger tighten it and then use the ratchet to tighten it back up. One thing that I do while it's up in the air is check ball joints and tie rods. A lot of them, the oil filter is on bottom, mine's on top. It's a canister, so all I have to do is the drain plug and then the check tires and stuff like that while it's up in the air, and then the rest will be on top.
It's recording.
Alright, so while it's up in the air, I normally check ball joints, tie rods, wheel bearings. Obviously there's not much movement there or there, so I'm good for both. And then you go to the other side and check. Same thing. Still good on both, other than needing time. Alright, now I'm taking off my oil filter. Go the right way. Ugh. I have a drain pan here to go straight into so you don't cover it everywhere in oil. That I have a tendency of doing. Pull it the rest of the way off. Oil filter should come with. Go straight into the drain pan. Got a little bit, but that's fine. We can wipe it off. Now take that out and replace it with the new one. Okay, I got the old one off. Make sure this little this little rubber piece, you get the old one off. Mine's down there. It fell. Put the new one on, because otherwise it will not be good. And you take this, you push it in there. Goes over that little spring. Twist it in. And then tighten it, but don't over tighten it, because if you screw it up, it's not gonna be good. Obviously I'm gonna use that to get it the rest of the way. I used a pick to get the old thing off. Snap-on's nice. Tells you on and off. For people who don't know which way is on and off, I do. I'm gonna get this tightened up and move on to the oil. Okay. Now grab a funnel. Start putting oil in. Mine takes 4 quarts of 5W30. So we will get that in. Put the last of the oil in. Get shit done. Now, after you do that, you're gonna start it up. Let it run for a second. So it drains better when you pull it back a little. Otherwise, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right, now, put everything back. You got it. Clean up your mess, because some people don't like when messes are left. AKA my dad. He always yells at me. And then after you get that in, you go to start it and check the oil. Let it run for a second. And then shut it off. Ugh. So tight, squeeze. Okay, now we just checked our oil. They're normally a yellow dipstick top. Some might be different, I don't know. Other like underneath hoods. But other than that, we're pretty much done. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy more content. And tomorrow is actually Thanksgiving, so you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. You guys make sure you're safe out there, especially if you're going Black Friday shopping or traveling for family or whatever it may be. Drive safe and make sure you watch out for others. Have a great day, guys. Bye.